Okay, welcome you all. Today I have come here in Janiso Mr. Park. We are coming from American Institute Banabanki. So I have come with the students today 9 to 11 batch. The guys are from 9 to 11 batch. And today we are going to tell you guys that we have played cricket today in morning time at 7 o'clock. And after playing cricket, I have just come here in this, actually it's I think it was, but actually I have come actually in front of the 6 number gate. So today I'm going to ask some questions with the students today because the guys have learned English in American. They have this completed their 3 months in American Institute, and after playing cricket, they guys are quite tired. What's wrong them? So let's start the video, guys. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to from the girl side. Okay. So Namaskar, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
What did you do today morning time when you came here? Please tell me.
7 o'clock.
Yeah.
7 o'clock from the National Park.
Yeah. And after that, did you play something?
Yes,
What did you play?
I played tennis.
Yeah, badminton.
Yeah, badminton.
So she played badminton, and you see that after panting her, how some semen thinking about it, guys. So yeah, Sania ma'am. So after coming here, what did you realize that are you getting something here in this
I
actually?
realized that it's very beautiful nature
Yeah.
and tag refreshing breathing, breathtaking in this
Right,
nature,
right.
and this is view is very amazing.
That's very great. And you have come here. You are liking good here in this actually park.
Yes, this is part is very good for refreshing our for fresh our minds
Yeah.
in morning time.
So as you see that guys, actually she is saying that she is enjoying today with the students. And it's very nice. I'm also enjoying very much today. It's a memorable moment it can be actually. Because after some time we are going to plan to go to Lulu Mall after it actually. And yeah, it's actually I'm going to the boys' side. How they are just thinking about us. They are going to tell us. Yes, Samir sir, what do you think actually after coming in this park? Please
When
tell
I
me.
came here, so I liked very beautiful,
Yeah.
and I played cricket and I won. So I like feel good.
Okay, good. So you played well actually today?
Yeah, that's I played very good, sir.
Okay, so what time did you get up today, Aditya sir, in morning
Sir,
time?
I think I got up at 5 p.m. 5 p.m.
Okay, really you're excited to actually play today?
Yeah, sir. Because we are come with my friends. That's why I'm excited.
That's very nice. So you are enjoying, right?
Yeah.
Okay, keep it up, sir. Okay, so I'm going to meet the guy. He is from Bihar, and he has come from Bihar. Thinking about that, I'm very lucky teacher that he came from Bihar. I'm just a teaching actually. So Aryan sir, so what did you do today when you came here? So you played cricket. You won the match or you lost the match?
Sir, I played 2 matches and in which I lost one and I won the 1 match.
Okay, that's
And
great.
I take a wicket of my teacher, so I'm very I'm feeling so good and I won the match after that. I won the match after that. I'm feeling so good.
So have you taken a breakfast?
No, sir, I haven't.
Why, sir? What is the reason?
Because you says that we will eat something in the
Okay,
nature.
it's my mistake. After sometimes the guys go for the breakfast, guys. Sorry for that. I will take you there. So yes, Jami sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm for pizza.
How do you find this park? You have come here at the first time or the second time?
I came here for the first time,
So-
so everything is good here.
Okay. The environment is good?
Environment is very good. Sir.
Okay.
It is a mind freshing environment.
Okay. So have you taken something or not in morning time?
So no sir, I
Oh my
have.
god. So what do you want to take with me today?
So I think sir, burger is
Okay, you want to take burger, right?
Burger will be good.
Oh, okay, Jami sir, I will take you the burger.
And also
Okay.
tea also.
Tea also. Tea and pizza, right? Burger, sorry. Okay.
Burger.
Ji sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Asif.
Harsi sir.
Yes.
Okay, how do you find this park when you came here?
I find this very good.
So you have come here for the outdoor training. You like it?
Yes, sir. I like it very good.
Okay, nice. So now we are going to meet you the guy actually. He is a very senior and he joined the American in March or April, I think. And he is a Mr. Alam. So Alam sir, what's your plan after playing cricket? We are here in this actually, what we can say that it's kind of place where we are feeling good actually. It's a very beautiful place. And actually I was tired, not me only. We guys were tired here, that's why I came and I'm just taking a rest over here. So yeah, actually after this, what's the plan? What will you have to do?
Sir, I think we should go to Lulu Mall because there is a hot air and there will be so coolest environment.
So would you like to purchase something today from the
No,
mall?
I don't want to purchase something because it is so costly.
Okay. But morning time you were saying that I will watch movie today?
Yeah, I will not movie.
Okay. So we guys are planning to go Lulu Mall, guys. I will have to plan for watching movie. It's up to them. If I have get the chance to go for Lulu Mall to watch movie, I will watch movie. So thank you so much, guys. And right, yeah, actually.